how to share group link on Telegram on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share Telegram's group link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether or not you're the admin of the group doesn't actually matter. As long as it's a public group, you can just copy the link, share to anybody and invite about anybody as you wish, as long as you are also a member of the group though. So what you want to do is, for this case I'm going to open up Telegram. You can see I'm a member of a specific group if I just tap the group from the very top, and then here you can see I'm actually a part of this group. I can send a message and do whatever else I want, and if I want to invite someone to this group, I have to share them the link of this group. So to do that, I just need to tap the group name from the very top of the screen. As in when you tap on the group name, there's really nothing that you should be worried about, because you'll just find the share link button at the very top of the screen. Now there are two more things that you can do. One is that you can either actually download the QR code and have your friends scan the QR code to join this group, which is right over here. Or you can directly share the link by just tapping the share link option, choosing a media to share the link from. You can share them from Telegram itself, or you can choose to copy the link and then send them to someone on Viber by pasting it or doing whatever else that you think you can. And just to give you an answer to your question, this is it on how you can share Telegram's group link on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.